So we got off the Forest Service road that we were on, and it dumped us back out on Highway 89. So this is a nice two-lane state highway, and you can see how much snow is coming down. So probably a good call to turn around where we did. I'm surprised there's this much snow coming down for as low elevation as we are by now. We've passed a bunch of people already that were just sliding in the turns and just needed to take it a little bit slower than we have to take it. Wow, that was right on cue, huh? Balance felt good though.